Good morning. Welcome to Apple Launch 2025. So before you even bother to take off one of your kidneys and sell it off for one of these latest iPhones, let us walk through what has happened during the launch and let us talk a little bit more about the improvements this phone has over the iPhone 16 series. Is it worth your kidney? Let's get it started. Hi, my name is Richmond and I have here all four models of the iPhone 17 series. Let us start off with the base variant. This is going to be the most affordable for the Pro series, starting at $799, and it has bumped up to 256 GB of storage. First up is the camera upgrade. The ultra-wide sensor has upgraded to a 48 MP sensor, and the front one, it has now improved to 18 megapixels, giving you better ultra-wide shot and giving you better selfies when you need it. Now, the iPhone 17 would come in 5 colors: lavender, gray, blue, silver white, and green. There's so many colors to choose from. Now, the screen size, it has improved to 6.3-incher, and it also has the ProMotion being deployed, so you can bump up to 120 Hz and go as low as 1 Hz, saving you more battery. And by the way, the A19 chip is 20% better than last year's A18 chip, which gives you better processing for AI and better, smoother experience. And now, this 17 Air. This is by far the thinnest iPhone ever at 5.6 millimeters. This phone is really thin and it fits through any pocket. And it has a single 48 MP camera at the back. Powered by the A19 Pro chip, this is by far better performing compared to the base variant. And starting at $999, you can enjoy this phone with ProMotion display, a 3000 nits of maximum brightness, so whether you're under the direct sunlight, there's no problem. You can see everything displayed on your phone. Now, let's talk about the Pro model and the Pro Max model. The iPhone 17 Pro and the Pro Max got the biggest, boldest change of them all, redefining the design, and the back looks even wider. This is not just a bold change. Internally, it has also improved. With the all-new vapor chamber inside, this phone is bound to perform, be it gaming, taking pictures, or taking videos outdoors. Powered by the A19 Pro chip, this one has a 20% better performance compared to last year's. And the cameras? The telephoto lens got an upgrade. With a better 4x zoom with its 48 MP telephoto lens, you can capture better pictures, better videos when you're zooming in. And the selfie cameras also got a huge upgrade to 18 megapixels, giving you better selfies, better videos for content creation. And the iPhone 17 Pro start at a base price of $1,099, while the iPhone 17 Pro Max starts at a base price of $1,199. And here are the complete pricing of this phone. So guys, after watching this quick video, is the iPhone 17 series worth your one kidney? Which model did you choose? Let me know in the comments. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you will be notified once I upload more videos just like this. So I'm Richmond and I'll see you on the next Apple Launch.
And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.